Just did the air on my 1988 Delica. It's about, it's at idle, it's like on medium. New compressor, new dryer, new expansion valves, did everything. Cleaned the front and rear evaporators. The rear air works good. Front air works good. I had the windows tinted in here anyway, but this is Florida. So, nice. All done. Everything works. All the air works. All 134. And that stupid compressor has the charging port on the compressor. I wasn't sure if that was the high or low port, but anyway, it's done. Pressures are good. Nice and cold. Ready for summer. Now I can drive in comfort. Actually, it's not that hot right now in Florida, but it will be soon. Okay, people, keep cool. Heat's coming. Keep cool.